Boto ka ba kay Belle?
Yeah,
Kung
she's
sakasakali.
very nice.
Okay.
She's young. She's
Yes,
only 22, I think.
Yes, at saka she sings, she dances, at talagang
Very
at mabait
talented
din.
na bata
Diba?
yun, no?
Kung sakasakali, pabor ka naman, di ba? Kasi sabi mo
Saan
mabait.
sila masaya?
Oh.
Sila yan. Sila yung makikisama. Di ba? Alam nila kung anong gusto nila. Go ahead.
What other cool stuff do you have, like, na parang unique dun sa Batangas? Good. Oh? Hey, it's possible, it's possible.
Hindi yung keyword po na hila. Hindi, ano ba? Ay, mga bear bricks. Hindi, meron akong meron akong parang art piece yung kay Jimmy.
Okay. And that's something that only, I guess, you have, no?
Yeah,
Something
yeah,
unique.
yeah, it's custom also.
Very cool.
Is yung scene na muntikan na kayong mag-kiss. Ano yun? Nakaplan ba yun na hindi talaga matuloy?
Yes, nakaplan yun kasi nung time na yun, si Bingo and Ling were both going through their own parang struggles. So they both made a conscious decision, even if gusto nila yung isa't isa.
The questionnaires are there.
Yeah, yeah. So actually, yes, kilig siya, pero nung naudot yun, parang mas naging effective kasi nakita mo kung bakit. And both of them, same yung mga pinanggagawa.
But it was really brought it to be that way. Since marami silang, they might have the same, okay, just to make it more, they might be on the same page, but they're on different books. So they were at that situation.
So marami nag-assume na baka matuloy sa ending. So, meron ba?
Bakit natin sasabihin yung ending?
Pero kayo personal, ready na ba kayo doon sa ganong...
Abangan, paano ko?
Ayan, abangan.
Ano yung magandang green flag mo? Mabango.
Uy!
Mabango si Belinda.
Describe the scent.
Iba-iba yung scent niya, depende sa occasion.
Grabe yung sagot
Pero
ko.
gusto niya yung mga... gusto niya yung mga fresh lang, yung fruity.
Parang bagong ligo.
Ganun.
Welcome to the interview corner, guys.
Hello, guys. How are you? Aray.
Hello.
Okay, Emilio. Of course, we are graced here by Dawn Bell. How are you guys feeling?
We're good. So happy to be here.
We are feeling great. We're really feeling the Christmas spirit. Grabe. Di namin nakalain 1 year na since our last Christmas event. Isn't it insane how fast time flies? But we're super excited to see everyone inside and super excited din kami kasi bukas na showing ang How to Spot a Red Flag.
Ayan o, mahawak ng flag si The Grinch eh.
Oh my gosh, kaya pala may red flag si The Grinch. Ang cute. But of course, guys, congratulations on your newest series.
Thank you.
Sobrang successful talaga ng Dawn Bell this 2024. It was a jam-packed 2024 for you guys. So, could you talk to me in just one word, how would you describe 2024 for Dawn Bell?
One word.
One word lang, pressure.
Jam-pack. Tama yung jam-pack. Ano naman, hindi. 2 words. Oh, actually, hindi. Ano kaya pwede? Puno. Ang dami kasi nangyari. Oo. Parang sa dami nating ginawa, hindi ko alam kung paano natin ginawa yun sa isang taon.
Actually, 2024 for me was really exciting. You know, there's always something to look forward to. And also, I look forward to 2025. So, happy holidays, everyone.
And we would like to thank all our supporters for being there for us since day one. Maraming salamat din sa lahat ng pander nyo kanina. Nakita namin yung aeroplano na may How to Spot a Red Flag, may cruise, meron ding mural sa Baguio. Tama ba?
Sa back, yes. Session Road. Sa Cebu rin, thank you so much, guys. Maraming salamat po.
Sobrang na-appreciate po namin. Ayan, mahal namin kayo. Merry Christmas, guys. We love you.
Yes, thank you so much again, Don Bell. And I'm sure all the viewers will be waiting for How to Spot a Red Flag. How to Spot a Red Flag. Kasi iconic yung Inconvenient Love. Favorite ko yun ng Don Bell.
Yes, that's true, Emilio. But grabe talaga yung 2024 ng Don Bell. From Can't Buy Me Love, we also have How to Spot a Red Flag, tapos Bell's solo concert in Soler. Congratulations, guys. Grabe. Once again, let's give it up for Donnie Pangilinan and Bell Mariano. Merry
Enjoy your
Christmas,
night, guys. Thanks for coming over.
Okay.